Some cases are not about whether something happened, they are about what people decide before they know why. Case File 005 concerns a family incident in a retail setting. The details have been anonymised. A child threw a small piece of plastic. It should not have happened. It struck a baby. The child apologised. The family believed the matter was closed. But minutes later, the situation changed. Security approached. A policy was cited, a ban was imposed, and a difficult family moment became something much larger. This case is not about denying responsibility. It is about asking whether the response was fair, whether it was proportionate, whether anyone paused long enough to understand the family in front of them. Because appearance changes how people are treated. Stress changes how people are perceived, and class changes how quickly people are judged. A distressed parent in dark clothing, children struggling in public, a family under pressure. To some, that looks like trouble, but sometimes what looks like trouble is vulnerability. Sometimes what looks like defiance is panic. Sometimes what looks like bad behaviour is a family trying not to fall apart in public. That is why first response matters. A calm question can de-escalate. A public accusation can ignite shame. A fair process can protect everyone. A rushed judgment can make everything worse. The family accepts that staff had a duty to consider safety. A baby was involved. That matters. But safety is not the same as assumption. Policy is not the same as listening, and enforcement is not the same as understanding. The questions are simple. Was the family heard before they were judged? Was the child's additional needs context recognised? Was the parent's vulnerability taken into account? Who decided on the ban, and what evidence did they rely upon? Now the records matter. CCTV, body-worn footage, incident logs, staff notes, ban records, complaint records. They will show more than the incident. They will show sequence. They will show tone. They will show whether the family was approached with curiosity or with conclusion. This investigation is ongoing. No final finding is made here. The purpose is not to attack staff, nor to excuse poor behaviour. It is to ask whether a family in distress was met with fairness, care, and reasonable adjustment. Because when people are judged by appearance before explanation, trust collapses. At Artemis Private Eye, we do not follow anger. We follow records. We follow timelines. We follow the gap between what organisations promise and what vulnerable people experience when the pressure is real. Case File 005. Judged before heard. Ongoing.